Mohan Sarkar. And what is your name?
My name is Devanshi Roy.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old. And how old are you?
I am 6 years old. Which class do you read?
I read in prep. And which school do you read?
I read in St. Nicholas Public School. What is your favorite color?
I love purple. And what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Wow, chicken. My favorite food is egg toast.
Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.